Hi guys, welcome to my channel Organize and Live with me. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken fry at home. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. Ingredients required are 3 tablespoon corn flour, 3 tablespoon curd, 1 egg, 2 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Egg and corn flour will give you very nice and crunchy texture. 2 tablespoon lime juice, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder. Now I'm gonna take 400 grams of chicken in a bowl. Make sure it's properly washed. Add 2 tablespoons salt. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Add 2 tablespoon coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon garam masala. Add ginger garlic paste. 1 full egg. Cumin powder. Red chili powder. Lime juice. And corn flour. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix them well. Make sure there are no lumps left behind. After mixing, set it aside for 10 minutes. Take some oil in a kadahi or pan. You can take any oil of your choice. I'm taking mustard oil to get all those nice Punjabi flavors. All you have to do is take the chicken pieces and fry in the oil. We are going to fry these till they are nice and golden. Look at these chicken pieces, perfectly done. Now we are gonna take them out of oil one by one. These are looking golden and crisp. Sprinkle some chaat masala powder and it's ready to be served. Serve it with green chutney or any chutney of your choice.